Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to English online class with me for electrical engineering students. So in this meeting, I'd like to give you a tutorial how to deal with meeting 12. So before you access meeting 12, kindly check your presence in the class description above. Jadi sebelum Anda mengakses meeting 12, jangan lupa untuk cek your attendance ya. Pastikan Anda klik kehadiran sebelum logout dari kelas online ya. Untuk bisa hadir tepat waktu, saya hanya memberikan waktu kurang lebih 1 jam setelah jadwal keluar, yaitu 7:30 ya. Kita punya jadwal itu jam 7:30 ya. Letaknya ada di sini in the class description yang paling atas. And then after you click your attendance of meeting, back to meeting 12, kembali di meeting 12, you will have several things to do. The first one, you will have listening activity for filling in the gaps. Jadi Anda punya listening, and then while you listen to the recording, you complete the blank paragraph. Jadi di situ ada paragraf yang belum yang kosong, and then what you need to do is that filling or completing the paragraphs, the blank paragraphs, based on the recording that you hear. And after you complete your paragraph, answer comprehensive questions based on the text you have filled. Jadi Anda menjawab pertanyaan berdasarkan teks yang telah Anda lengkapi. And I also provide you additional material video. It's about engineering student tips what to do during the COVID-19 pandemic ya. Jadi di sini saya beri additional material for your listening practice ya. Anda harus terbiasa untuk mendengarkan listening yang berkaitan tentang engineering field in English ya. So the more you practice, the better your ability to listen or to read or to write and speak in English. Yeah. And after you watch the additional material video, please share your point of view, your opinion about the video. You may summarize about the video, and please share your experience of working in engineering field during COVID-19 pandemic. Ya, mungkin ini akan lebih banyak terjawab oleh process students. But I do not limit for process students only. For the engineering students, they may have a part-time job. Ya, mungkin ada beberapa yang punya part-time kerja yang berkecimpung pada engineering field. And please share your experience working during coronavirus outbreak. Ya, seperti itu. And then yang di sini kebetulan prosesnya belum saya buat ya, saya masih provide class A. Let's see how your activity will be done. So there will be 2 different activities. Okay, sorry. So I don't explain more because it is really clear here ya. You will have 3 opportunities to do, and then the available time to do ya, hanya sekitar 3 jam ya, jangan sampai tertinggal. Okay, and so listen to the recording and fill the gaps based on what you hear. Jadi jangan sampai tidak membaca instruksi ya sebelum mengerjakan practice. Nah, seperti ini.
World's most electrifying eel found in Amazon. This is breakingnewsenglish.com. Scientists have discovered a new species of electric...
After you complete all the paragraphs, please answer shortly ya. Answer the following questions based on the text you have filled. Ya, di sini Anda latihan untuk short answer. Alright, it is for the practice. And do not forget to watch the additional material and also sharing your experience in forum discussion feature. Okay, well, thank you for your kind attention. Enjoy your meeting 12. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.